class, welcome to my second section. I am going to teach you about voice. Now let us write a sentence on the board. Manners, plural subject. Manners, repeal, reveal. Character, character. Manual, reveals. Reveal. Character. 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 Active voice. The subject of the active voice becomes object into the passive voice. The object of the active voice becomes subject into the passive voice. It goes, manners goes into object, character comes into subject. Okay, man verb, third form of the verb, past participle is used in the passive voice. Now, character, 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 charitra. We must see, is it singular or plural subject? Character is singular. Character is revealed, revealed. Reveal, revealed, V1. Revealed, revealed, V2. Revealed, revealed, V3. Character is revealed by manners, manners. Passive, passive. Voice, voice. Manners means रीति थिति चाल चलन. Reveal, प्रकट गर्नु. Character, चरित्र. Character is revealed by manners. चरित्र मैनर रीति थितिबाट चाहिँ प्रकट हुन्छ, गरिन्छ भनेर यसले भन्छ. अब now I am going to write some grammatical rules on the whiteboard that will make you easy to learn how to change voice. That will make you easy to learn voice. Okay, number one, while changing, changing, changing the voice of a verb, we exchange, exchange the position of the subject and object. Okay, you know, I wrote it. Number two, WHEN, when the subject of a, when the subject of a verb in a sentence, when the subject of a verb in a sentence acts, acts, काम गर्छ, acts, the verb, the verb is said to be The verb is said to be in the active, active, voice, voice. Number 3, when, when the subject subject of a verb in a sentence. Sentence. When the subject of a verb in a sentence is acted, upon, acted upon the verb, the verb is said to be in the passive, passive voice. When the subject of a verb in a sentence acts, जब सेन्टेन्सको भएको यो सब्जेक्टले काम गर्छ, इज सेड टु बी इन द active voice. When the subject of a verb in a sentence is acted upon, यस उपर चाहिँ काम हुन्छ भाइ यता अब्जेक्टतिरबाट, द verb is said to be in the passive voice. त्यो भर्बलाई चाहिँ के भनिन्छ त, passive voice भनेर भनिन्छ. Number 4, by is kept, kept. By is kept, with the agent, agent भनेको प्रतिनिधि. By is kept with the agent at the end of a sentence, at the end of a sentence, sentence. Now, by is kept with the agent at the end of a sentence. Number 5, main verb, MAIN, man, VERB. Man verb is CHANGED, changed into, man verb is changed into the PAST, past, PARTICIPLE, past participle. Number 6, man verb is changed into the past participle. Number 6, only the transitive verb can be used in the passive voice. ONLY, only the TRANSITIVE, transitive भनेको सकर्मक. Only the transitive verb can be used, INTO, into the only the transitive verb can be used into the PASSIVE, passive, VOICE, voice. Number 7, and only the transitive verb can be used into the passive voice. Number 7, and INTRANSITIVE, intransitive verb cannot be used used into the passive voice. An intransitive verb cannot be used into the passive passive voice. Voice. Number 8, remember now. Active voice ma SUBJECT एक्टिभ भोइसमा सब्जेक्टका रूपमा जस्तै आई डब्लुई वी अनि यु THEY दे ही SHE शी IT इट एक्टिभ भोइसमा चाहिँ सब्जेक्टको रूपमा आई वी यु दे ही शी इट छ भने सब्जेक्टमा अब त्यसपछि अब्जेक्ट इन OBJECT अब्जेक्ट प्यासिभ अब्जेक्टमा के छ त भन्दाखेरि आई को अब्जेक्ट ME मी वी को US अस यु को YO यु नै भयो दे को THEM देम अनि ही को HIM हिम शी को HER हर इट को IT इट नै हुन्छ। यस्तै तरिकाले प्यासिभ भोइसमा अब्जेक्टको रूपमा त्यसरी हुन्छ यु नो। यस्तै तरिकाले PASSIVE प्यासिभ VOICE भोइस OBJECT अब्जेक्ट अनि त्यसपछि ACTIVE एक्टिभ SUB सब्जेक्टमा के हुन्छ त जस्तै मी बराबर सब्जेक्टमा एक्टिभको सब्जेक्टमा मी को चाहिँ के हुने भयो त आई हुने भयो अनि त्यसपछि US अस बराबर चाहिँ वी हुने भयो अनि यु को यु नै हुने भयो त्यसपछि HER हर को यता फेरि SHE शी हुने भयो HIM हिम को HE ही भयो अनि त्यसपछि THEM देम को THEY दे हुने भयो ठिक उल्टो IT इट को अनि त्यसपछि IT इट नै हुने भयो। अब यसरी एक्टिभ भोइसबाट प्यासिभ भोइसमा लैजाँदाखेरि ठिक उल्टो तरिकाले अब्जेक्टको रूपमा आएकालाई सब्जेक्टमा ल्याउँदा आईको मी को आई बनाउने एवं तरिकाले परिवर्तन गर्न सकिन्छ। सब्जेक्टको रूपमा आएको आई को अब्जेक्ट मी बनाउने वी को अस सी को हर ही को हिम दे को देम इट को इटै यु को यु त्यस्तै तरिकाले अब्जेक्टबाट ठिक उल्टो तरिकाले सब्जेक्टमा पनि ल्याउँदा बदल्न सकिन्छ। अब त्यसपछि रिमेम्बर REMBER रिमेम्बर सम्झनुहोस् ओन्ली ONLY ओन्ली ACTIVE एक्टिभ VOICE भोइस ओन्ली एक्टिभ भोइस only active voice active VOICES voices have TWO2 only 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 transitive transitive verbs verbs have TWO to VOICES voices. Intransitive verb INTRANSITIVE. Intransitive verbs 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 can not be USED used in the PASSIVE passive POICE voice. Okay, let us see some examples. Birds, 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 FLY, fly. It is an intransitive verb. The subject birds. The subject doesn't pass over an object. It doesn't pass over an object. That's why it cannot be changed into the passive voice. It is not used in the passive voice. The SUN sun RISES rises in the EAST east. It has no object. The sun is the object in this sentence. The sun is the subject in this sentence. The sun doesn't pass over an object. It cannot be used in the passive voice. HORSE, horse, WALKS, walks. घोडा हिँड्छ. Horse walks. It has no object, no passive voice. It cannot be changed into the passive voice. Horse walks. It has no object. It cannot be used into the passive voice. Similarly, SUGAR, sugar, chini, MELTS, melts, chini, paglancha. In this sentence, sugar is the subject. It has no object. Sugar melts. It has no object. It is intransitive of. It cannot be changed into the passive voice. It is not used into the passive voice. According to our grammatical rules, it is not used in the passive voice. We EAT, eat, RICE, rice, PUDDING, rice pudding. In this sentence, this one is subject, this one rice pudding is object, this one is subject, it is the main verb. This is the main verb. According to our grammatical rules, the subject of the active voice becomes object. It goes into object. Rice pudding comes into subject. It goes into subject. Okay. One of the be verb. There are three be verbs. Is, am, are. There are three be verbs for simple present, for present indefinite. If the subject is singular, it takes is. If the subject is plural, it takes are. If there is I in a subject, it takes M. Rice pudding, R-I-C-E, rice, P-U-D-D-I-N-G, pudding. Rice pudding is the singular subject. We must think about it. Is it singular subject or plural subject? Rice pudding is singular subject. That's why it takes is singular verb. Rice pudding is E-A-T-E-N, eaten. E-A-T, eat, V1, A-T-E, ate, V2, E-A-T-E-N, eaten, V2, V3, or it is called, eaten is called third form of the verb. It is also called past participle of the verb. Rice pudding is eaten by, rice pudding is eaten by us. US us. The first sentence is called active voice AV. The second sentence is called PV, passive voice. In the first sentence, we, the subject we, is active, it is active, it acts. In the second sentence, the subject rice pudding is not active, it is passive. That's why the second sentence is called passive voice, the first sentence is called active voice. You know, do you know? Similarly, we can make other example. They eat, T-H-E-Y, they, E-A-T, eat, C-H-I-N-E-S-E, Chinese, F-O-O-D, food, active voice, A-V, A-V means active voice. They eat Chinese food, C-H-I-N-E-S-E, Chinese, F-O-O-D, food is E-A-T-E-N, eaten by T-H-E-M, them, P-V, passive voice. Let us see these two examples. In the first sentence, they eat Chinese food. तिनीहरूले चाइनिज खाना, चाइनिज फुड खान्छन्, खाने काममा दे सक्रिय छ. सेकेन्ड सेन्टेन्समा चाइनिज फुड इज इटन बाई देम, तिनीहरूद्वारा चाइनिज फुड खाइन्छ भनेपछि यो चाइनिज फुड के छ त, खाइदिने अर्कै छ यतातिरबाट गएर, त्यसैले यो चाइनिज फुड प्यासिभमा छ. अब हामी चाहिँ यसलाई भन्न सक्छौँ, when the subject of a verb in a sentence acts, the verb is said to be in the active voice. When the subject of a verb in a sentence is acted upon, it is acted upon, the verb is said to be in the passive voice. In the passive voice, main verb is changed into the past participle eaten. By is kept with agent at the end of a sentence. When we change the subject and object, now CHANGE, change the FOLLOWING. Now change the following SENTENCES. Now change the following sentences INTO into the ACTIVE, active, VOICE, active voice. Now change into active voice. I am going to write down an example. T is TAKEN, taken by me. T is taken by me. PV पैसिभ भोइस, मद्वारा टी इज टेकन, मद्वारा लिइन्छ, टी इज टेकन बाई मी, मद्वारा चिया लिइन्छ अथवा खाइन्छ भन्ने अर्थ। अब यसलाई चाहिँ हामी एक्टिभमा लानको लागि पहिला सब्जेक्ट कहाँ छ त, वेयर इज द सब्जेक्ट, वी हेभ टु सर्च where is the object, and the object me becomes subject into active. It is our grammatical rules. I, and we can see, is it a singular subject or a plural subject? It is I, it takes plural verb V1. I T-A-K-E, take, T-E-A-T, I take tea. Tea is the subject in this passive voice. In this passive voice, tea is the subject. It will be object into active. I take tea. यो चाहिँ के हो त, एभी एक्टिभ भोइस हो। अब हाम्रो नियम रुल त छँदैछ, सब्जेक्ट प्लस V1 प्लस अब्जेक्ट बनाइदिनु पर्यो प्यासिभबाट एक्टिभमा लैजाँदाखेरि, कि त सब्जेक्ट प्लस V5 प्लस अब्जेक्ट बनाइदिनु पर्यो। आई टेक टी मिन्स टी इज टेकन बाई मी, आई टेक टी मिन्स टी इज टेकन बाई मी। त्यस्तै गरेर वी हेभ सम अदर इक्जाम्पल्स। B-L-A-C-K, black, C-L-O-U-D, black cloud is S-E-E-N, seen by M-E, me. A black cloud is seen by me, मद्वारा कालो बादल देखिन्छ, P-A-S-S-I-V-E, passive, P-O-I-C-E, voice. अ ब्ल्याक क्लाउड प्यासिभमा छ, यसलाई देख्ने काम मी मद्वारा अब्जेक्टतिरबाट काम हुन्छ। अघि मैले रुल्सहरू लेखिदिएको छु। आई सी, सब्जेक्ट मीलाई सब्जेक्ट भन्दा अगाडि बनाउनु पर्यो। आई S-E-E-C-A, black, C-L-O-U-D, cloud. I see a black cloud. I see a black cloud. भनेको म चाहिँ कालो बादल देख्न सक्छु। A black cloud is seen by me, मद्वारा चाहिँ कालो बादल देख्न सकिन्छ। यो चाहिँ के भयो त, फेरि एक्टिभ भोइस भयो। प्यासिभ भोइस उपल्लो तल्लो ACTIVE, एक्टिभ भोइस। अनि त्यस्तै गरेर we have other example. A box, box is KEPT, a box is kept by HER, her, AV, active voice. No, I'm sorry, it is a box is PV, a box is kept by her, it is PV, passive voice. I'm sorry. अब यसमा हुन्छ SHE, सी को चाहिँ यता ल्याउँदा के हुन्छ त, SHE, she, a box is kept by her, she, it is main verb. She is the singular subject. It takes singular B verb. It takes singular verb V5. V5. She, K-E-E-P-S. She keeps a B-O-X, box. Box चाहिँ object उतातिर जाने भयो। She keeps a box. उनले एउटा बाकस राख्छिन्। अब यसलाई एक्टिभबाट, अब यसलाई पेसिभबाट एक्टिभमा लैजाँदाखेरि यस्तो भयो। अब फेरि यसलाई चाहिँ एक्टिभबाट पेसिभमा ल्याएर, A box is kept. A box is kept by her. A box is kept by her. यो पिभी पेसिभ भोइस भयो. सी किप्स अ बक्स, यो चाहिँ के भयो त एक्टिभ भोइस भयो. एभी मिन्स एक्टिभ भोइस. यसरी प्यासिभबाट एक्टिभमा पनि हामीले चेन्ज गर्न सकिन्छ. अब चाहिँ हामीले FOOD, food is PREPARED, prepared by us. Food is prepared by us. AV, active voice. Food, no, active voice, no, passive voice. I'm sorry, it is called passive voice. Food is prepared by us. PV, passive voice. अब यसलाई एक्टिभमा लाँदाखेरि वीलाई यता ल्याउँदाखेरि हामीले के गर्न सकिन्छ, सरी असलाई यता सब्जेक्ट बनाउँदा हामीले वी गर्नु पर्यो. वी PREPARED, PREPARED, we prepared. we PREPARED, डी हुँदैन है, आम सरी. वी PREPARED, we prepare. FOOD, फुड, यो चाहिँ के भयो त, यो एक्टिभ भोइस भयो. वी प्रिपेयर फुड, एक्टिभ भोइस. फुड इज प्रिपेयर्ड बाई अस, प्यासिभ भयो. वी प्रिपेयर फुड, हामी खाना तयार गर्छौँ, यो एक्टिभबाट प्यासिभमा माथि बदल्दाखेरि फुड इज प्रिपेयर्ड बाई अस हुन्छ. वी प्रिपेयर फुड, एक्टिभ भोइस भयो. अब यसैको चाहिँ प्यासिभबाट चाहिँ एक्टिभमा लाँदाखेरि फुड इज प्रिपेयर्ड बाई असबाट यता बदल्दा वी प्रिपेयर फुड, फुड इज प्रिपेयर्ड बाई अस हामीद्वारा चाहिँ आउँछ भने यस्तो हुन्छ. अब त्यस्तै गरेर चाहिँ हामीले एक्टिभबाट प्यासिभमा लैजान र प्यासिभबाट एक्टिभमा लान पनि हामी सिकेका छौँ. TOYS, toys are LIKED, liked by. Toys are liked by CHILDREN, children. Toys are liked by children. खेलौना केटाकेटीद्वारा मन पराइन्छ. यो चाहिँ के हो त, PASSIVE, प्यासिभ. VOICE, भोइस भयो. अब त्यसपछि हामीले एक्टिभमा यसलाई लाँदाखेरि के गर्नु पर्यो त, सब्जेक्ट अब्जेक्ट बदल्नु पर्यो. CHILDREN, चिल्ड्रेन भनेको केटाकेटीहरूले, लेलाइबाटको अङ्ग्रेजीमा यसमा हुँदैन. चिल्ड्रेन, LIKE, लाइक. चिल्ड्रेन सब्जेक्ट प्लुरल भएको हुनाले लाइक्डको V1 चाहिँ लाइक हो, V5 लाइक्स हो. चिल्ड्रेन लाइक. अब हामीले अब्जेक्ट खोल्नु पर्यो. TOYS, टोइज. यो चाहिँ के भयो त, एक्टिभ भोइस भयो. ACTIVE VOICE, एक्टिभ भोइस. टोइज आर लाइक्ड बाई चिल्ड्रेन, खेलौनाहरू केटाकेटीद्वारा मन पराइन्छन् भन्ने कुरा यो चाहिँ प्यासिभ भयो, टोइज. अनि त्यसपछि एक्टिभमा चिल्ड्रेन लाइक टोइज, टोइज आर लाइक्ड बाई चिल्ड्रेन. यसरी चाहिँ हामी अदल बदल गर्न सक्छौँ. ल, उपल्लो वाक्यमा टोइज प्यासिभ छ हैन. इन द फर्स्ट सेन्टेन्स द सब्जेक्ट टोइज इज प्यासिभ. इट डजन्ट एक्ट, इट इज एक्टेड अपन. In the second sentence, the subject children is active. Children like toys. In this way we can change active voice and passive voice.